In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share hosting your account access in 2026. Easy guide. If you need to collaborate with a developer, a teammate, or a client while keeping your account secure, Hostinger's built-in account sharing feature is the safest way to do it. You'll keep ownership and control, and they'll only get the level of access you decide to grant. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Hostinger website. Sign into your account if you haven't already. From the main page, click My Account at the top to enter your hPanel dashboard. This takes you to the central hub where you manage your websites, hosting, and domains. Inside hPanel, look for account sharing. Depending on your view, you might find it in your profile menu or in the sidebar, but it's clearly labeled. Open it to manage who can access your services. Next, choose Give Access. This opens a short form where you'll set up the invitation. In the email field, type the email address of the person you want to invite. It's best to use the email they use for Hostinger. If they don't have a Hostinger account yet, they can create one when they accept the invite. Double check the spelling here. An incorrect address means the wrong person won't receive it, and you'll have to redo the invite. Now, select the specific service you want to share. You can target just the hosting plan, a particular website, or a domain, depending on what you need help with. This is a great moment to follow the least privilege rule. Only share what's necessary for the task at hand, not your entire account. Then choose the permission role. Role names can vary slightly, but here's the idea. Higher level roles can change settings and sometimes billing, while technical or editor roles can work on files, databases, and deployments without touching payments, and viewer style roles are read only. If you're unsure, hover over the role descriptions in hPanel and pick the most limited option that still lets them do their job. When everything looks good, click. Give access to send the invitation. The recipient will get an email from Hostinger with instructions to accept. After they accept, they'll see your shared service in their hPanel under a shared section, and you'll still remain the owner with the ability to adjust or revoke access at any time from the same account sharing page. That's all there is to it. By using account sharing, you collaborate efficiently, protect your credentials, and keep full control over who can do what in your Hostinger account.